The citizenry of Austria are doing quite nicely. Thank you very much. And well educated, excellent health care, spotless place like this. Vienna, absolutely spotless. You do not hear a lot of sirens. You don't hear motorbikes. It's pedestrian friendly, as you can plainly see. This major roadway, no vehicles allowed, only pedestrians, folks with their strollers and babies. Absolutely stunning. Really enjoyed the entire experience. I came across an area here where I noticed the horse-drawn carriages were coming along, so I kind of got behind a little construction thing here just to get out of the way, and I just wanted to film this. You don't see this necessarily in your hometown, and here in Vienna, it's just another carriage ride for another bunch of tourists, and that poor driver. Well, I don't know if he's poor. I'm sure he's making a lot of money, but he's doing the same route around and around. He goes